Welcome. If you're looking to keep your Snapchat profile tidy or just want to remove something you've shared privately, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to delete a private story on Snapchat, so you can take full control over what stays on your account. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open the Snapchat app. Make sure you're logged in so you can access all your stories and settings. Once you're in, look to the top left corner of your screen and tap your Bitmoji or profile icon. This will take you straight to your profile page, where you'll see all your stories, including your private ones. Now, under the Stories section, find the private story you want to delete. Next to the story's name, you'll see 3 dots. These dots are your gateway to more options. Go ahead and tap on them. A menu will pop up with a few choices. From here, select the option that says Delete Story. Snapchat will ask if you're sure you want to delete it. This is just to make sure you don't remove something by accident. To finish up, tap Delete again to confirm your choice. And that's it. Your private story will be deleted immediately, and no one will be able to view it anymore. If you ever want to double check, just head back to your profile and look under Stories. If the private story is gone, you've done it right. Remember, you can repeat these steps for any other private stories you want to remove. Managing your Snapchat content is that simple, and it helps keep your profile exactly how you want it. Thanks for following along. Now, you know exactly how to delete a private story on Snapchat, keeping your account fresh and your privacy in your hands.